Hey everyone, welcome back to Zia Maliki Academy, where we make tech simple and easy to understand. Today we are diving into something you might have heard about, but maybe don't fully understand: TPM, also known as the Trusted Platform Module. What is it? Why does your computer need it? And why is Windows always nagging about it? Let's break it down. TPM is a tiny chip on your computer's motherboard that provides hardware level security. It's like a vault built into your PC, designed to store sensitive information safely, like encryption keys, passwords, and certificates. Why is TPM important? TPM protects your data even if someone steals your computer. It works with features like BitLocker to encrypt your hard drive, making it useless to hackers without the right key. It also helps prevent unauthorized access, especially during startup. In short, TPM means extra security. When Microsoft launched Windows 11, they made TPM 2.0 mandatory for installation. Why? Because they want every Windows 11 machine to have strong hardware-backed security. So if you are upgrading and see this PC can't run Windows 11 error, TPM might be the reason. Wondering if your PC has TPM or not? Just press Windows key plus R. Then type tpm.msc and hit enter. A new window will pop up telling you if TPM is installed and which version you have. If your PC doesn't have TPM, don't panic. Some motherboards allow you to add a TPM chip manually, especially desktop computers. Or if you are a tech person, there are workarounds, but they are not always recommended for security reasons. So let's recap what we learned in this video. TPM is a security chip. It protects your data at the hardware level. It's required for Windows 11. You can check it using tpm.msc. You might be able to add one if your system doesn't have it. If this video helped you understand TPM, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Zia Maliki Academy, and turn on notifications. Got questions or want a tutorial on BitLocker or TPM bypass methods? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and stay secure.